that'll be it. Okay?
Yeah, alright.
Alright, man. Thank
Sure,
you.
Man. I appreciate it, man. Well,
Thank you.
We'll see each other soon. I'll talk to you soon. Let me know if anything comes up, alright?
Thank you, dude.
And my mom's gonna go home and right now she's gonna go meet up with my brother, and they're gonna go to the 300 level section. So that way somebody.
Good morning. It is Friday, the first Friday of February, and it is 5:32. Today we're scheduled to do shoulders, 1 hour of cardio. Then I'll come back home and do it all over again. Life is like the freeway and the Prius. You ever on the freeway going at the flow of traffic speed, and there's a Prius that has a signal light trying to merge onto your lane. Like, you're giving him the space, you've kind of reduced your speed so that he can come in, but that Prius doesn't merge. So you just get tired and you just pass him on. What I got from that right now is life is yielding opportunities to us. We're just not stepping on the gas fast enough. Life is yielding opportunities. We're just not acting fast. Alright, so I'm going into the office. One of my referral partners, he's a very caring, very professional, charismatic guy. He is coming to the office today. We're gonna do some very cool stuff here in the real estate space in hopes to help more people buy homes here in the valley. Say hi to the camera, dude.
What's going on, guys?
Hey guys. Oh yeah, look who's here. Judy. No open house signs. Oh, there it is.
That we're gonna show your kids when you get older.
No, this is gonna be part of his vlog.
No, it's not. We are going to play a game. So I'm gonna give you 2 minutes that you will come up with for a video in Daddy's vlog.
Whoa!
My vlog is gonna be my Junie.
What are you gonna say about Junie?
I love her.
Start all over.
Hold on, let me start it over.
Hi guys, welcome back to Alexis's vlogs. Don't forget to subscribe, join my family. I would really appreciate it. And today's theme on this vlog is top ways to being peaceful and clearing your mind. First, you need to find something called a happy place. To me, my happy place is out in nature, and I feel like when I breathe in the fresh air, it helps me be more calm and peaceful.
Remember, this vlog is yours. Pretend this is your vlog.
So guys, top 5 tips how to save money. First, don't buy things you don't need to buy. Number 2, don't waste your money so fast.
Because